What's going on, guys? Phil here from Custom Offsets TV on YouTube with another quick matchup. So you don't know what these are, basically we're showing you what a certain size tire looks like on a certain size wheel. So today we got the ARKON Lincoln. This is a 24x14 -81 wrapped in a AMP Mud Terrain Attack MTA 35x13.5 R24. So let's break down the numbers. First we're going to talk about the wheel, 24x14. What I mean by 24 is going to be the diameter of the wheel, so 24 inches there. 14 is going to be the width, which is basically how deep we are here. That's gonna be 14 inches. And then -81 is the offset, which is what pushes this massive wheel and tire package out from the truck. The tire we're talking about, 35 tall, which is gonna be this measurement here, by 13.5 wide, which is the width of the tire there. R24 means it's for the 24-inch wheel. So this setup on here, obviously a 35 is actually a relatively decent sized tire, but when you put a 24 in there, you do reduce your sidewall a decent amount. If you measure from the rim of the wheel to the edge of the sidewall, it's only 3.5 inches roughly, all the way to the top of the tread. It does kind of get rounded over because there's a little bit of stretch, but I'd say that's about 4.25 to 4.5 inches roughly. Now these are obviously used. Jerry's been driving around on them, but they haven't gotten that worn yet, so it's still very similar to a like new size. So not a ton of sidewall here, like I said, just a couple of inches there. Not like this is going to be something that you're going to off-road in, although Jerry does put it through its paces every once in a while, and it's been just fine. So the big concern people are going to have is they're going to tell me, that's a 14-inch wide wheel and you've only got a 13.5-inch wide tire. How is that possible? Why do you do that? That's not safe. That's what everybody likes to say. When it comes down to it, a 13.5 isn't really stretched too much onto this 14 wide. It's definitely possible. People order this kind of stuff all the time and we'll still ship it to you. You can pretty much pick whatever you want and we'll do it as long as you check the little box that says you know what you're doing. So if you're looking for a 13.5-inch stretched onto a 14 wide, that's what it's going to look like. That's your matchup, 24x14. Shop's being really loud, but the video is pretty much done, so that's fine. Peace.